Hey guys, what's up? So, this past weekend I went riding with my nephew. This is the first ride on the Yamaha WR450F, and it was pretty fun. Right now I'm actually checking my bike because I just, right after I got it off the trailer, it started leaking radiator fluid, and one of the tubes that was connected to the radiator was completely off, and it was just pouring radiator fluid, so I thought the ride was over before it even started. By the way, this is kind of a dual comm. You get commentary from when I was riding, and then you get pre-recorded commentary that I'm doing right now.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Here I'm trying to tell my nephew to go ahead, and he does not understand hand gestures. By the way, I've got like 1,000 gates I have to go through to get to the land that I can ride on.
I think we're good on the leak. We gotta go through this creek crossing there. It's pretty cool.
By the way, my nephew's in a 2010 Ranger, Polaris Ranger. It's a 1000 XP. It's pretty bad. It's fuel injected as well.
To go through, so yeah, it kind of sucks.
So as you just heard, I'm complaining about the gates. I complain about the gates every single time I come through here. Do a little quick shortcut to cut in front of him. Now I am going really slow in this ride because I am new at riding dirt bikes, so I want to take it easy and get the feel of the dirt bike before I really go all out. The fastest I've got this bike up to is about 70, and that's really all I wanted to do. The thing was really sketchy at about 70. So we came to our last gate.
Hold on to that.
Thought I'd put this in here. Me fooling with this Dadgum Gate. I hate this gate so much. This is such a redneck gate.
There, pull it now. Pull it. This is one of the stupidest gates I've ever seen. That's it.
Wait a minute, I gotta get here.
Yeah, what are you doing, Lucas?
I don't know.
Crazy. Why can't I not pull it anymore? It's still tangled down there at the bottom. One of the stupidest gates I've ever dealt with. Hold this up. This thing is stupid. There's that. Okay. Oh my God. God, I can't stand that gate.
Alright, so if you notice in this field, there's a lot of sage grass. A lot of really tall, really flammable grass. And I want y'all to take note of that. End up popping the clutch and laying it over somehow. I don't even know how I did this. So here I am riding through that sage grass. Now riding through that sage grass is going to play a big role in the end of this video.
Look at him. Look at him being dangerous. So I'm having problems with this thing. I'm having problems keeping it going once I get to a hill or something like that. So that's kind of scary because I got to go up a hill over here. Here he comes. Look at him coming.
Here I go, cutting back through the sage grass on a very hot, humid day.
Oh, God. Hope there ain't no surprise potholes out here.
There's a hole out there that will swallow a truck. A truck's actually fallen off into before, and we had to go get a tractor and a bunch of equipment to pull it out with.
Where'd he go again? Keep losing him. I see him over there. I see the top of his ride. I've got a gas light on for some reason. It went off. I'm like a predator right now. It's crazy.
Yeah, I'm about to be a flaming fireball.
Hey, we're
Keep
going
riding
up the
through
hill. We're going up.
Keep riding through that sage grass. Here's where I try to make it up this hill, and fortunately I don't. I run into some problems. There's logs, trees cut down all over the place, tree limbs, everything. It's just a mess. So I had to stop here because there was a log in front of me. And shortly after this, I see that my bike is smoking. I'm also having a lot of problem putting this thing in neutral. God, I can never seem to put it in neutral.
Look at this.
There's the log. You hear Lucas in the background. So here's where I noticed
shit.
that it's smoking. Now there is some
Shit.
language. I do apologize for that. But all I was thinking is, man, this thing's about to catch on fire and it's going to be gone. I don't have any insurance on it or anything. So this is where that sage grass comes into play. Why you shouldn't ride through it. I wasn't thinking at the time.
I got that stupid sage crap in here. And I tried to come up this hill, and a bunch of idiots has cut off a bunch of damn trees in the freaking way.
I'm going a little bit of a rant here.
Oh, stupid. This is a bad day to go riding. I didn't know idiots would come here and cut a bunch of damn trees down. Freaking idiots, man. Oh.
I have no idea what Lucas is doing, but you can hear him in the background giving it hell.
Just gonna roll back down this hill.
So yeah, guys, this was my first ride. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll have more videos like this in the future, more gun videos, stuff like that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you later. Peace.
Let's go down this way.